Today, we're diving into a topic that hits home for many of us in our 40s, why your skin suddenly feels more sensitive, and what you can do about it. But it's not just about wrinkles or fine lines. Your skin's protective shield is changing, and if you're not careful, you could end up with irritation that derails your whole day. And guess what? You don't need a luxury list of products to fix it. In fact, sometimes less is more. Let's simplify things and get your skin feeling calm and confident again. Point 1. Changes in your skin barrier with age. As we hit our 40s, our skin undergoes some natural changes. One big factor is the weakening of your skin barrier. Think of it as your skin's security system. In your younger years, this barrier is tough and resilient. But over time, factors like a decline in ceramides, the mortar that holds skin cells together, mean that your skin loses moisture and becomes more vulnerable to irritants. This change can lead to dryness, increased sensitivity, and even breakouts. The science behind it is pretty simple. As we age, our skin naturally produces fewer lipids and proteins that maintain its structure, so everything becomes more reactive. And that's why that once tolerated cleanser might now leave your face feeling tight and irritated. Point 2. Simplifying your skincare routine. Now, your skincare routine might be more complicated than it needs to be. In your 40s, the goal isn't to cover up every sign of aging with 10 different products. It is to support your skin's natural healing process with fewer, better choices. Here's what I recommend. Start with a gentle pH balanced cleanser that won't strip away essential moisture. Next, use a lightweight moisturizer, one that's rich in hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides, to rebuild your skin's barrier. Finally, finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day. Stick with me because I'll share which ingredients you should definitely avoid to keep that barrier intact. Point 3. Ingredients to avoid. For sensitive skin, some ingredients are a no-go. Fragrances, for example, are one of the top culprits. They might make products smell nice, but they can trigger redness and irritation. Similarly, harsh alcohols and sulfates, often found in cleansers, can strip your skin of its natural oils and further damage your already weakened barrier. Even essential oils, which many think is natural, can be surprisingly irritating on mature, sensitive skin. And while retinols and chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs are effective in boosting collagen and cell turnover, using too much or combining them can cause more harm than good, leading to inflammation and redness. So remember, less is definitely more here. So what can you do to fix all this? First, focus on nourishment. Look for products loaded with gentle hydrating ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides. These help lock in moisture and repair your skin's protective barrier. Next, simplify your routine. Stick with just a few products that work well together. I always tell my friends to cleanse, moisturize, and protect. If you're feeling adventurous, you can add one targeted treatment for issues like redness or dullness, but introduce it slowly. And if you think you need a ton of fancy products, think again. A streamlined routine can work wonders. Point 5. Lifestyle matters. Don't forget that what you put in your body affects your skin too. Hydration is key. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, and try to reduce your intake of sugary foods and alcohol, which can aggravate inflammation and collagen loss. Stress is another enemy. When you're stressed, your skin reacts, sometimes becoming even more sensitive. Simple habits like regular exercise, good sleep, and even a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation can improve your overall skin health. The best skincare isn't just what you put on your face. It's a total lifestyle shift. Point 6. The role of sun protection. Every single dermatologist I know will tell you this. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable. UV rays accelerate skin aging, dry out your skin, and break down collagen. So protecting your skin every day is a must. Use a broad spectrum SPF of 30 or higher and reapply throughout the day, especially if you're outdoors. It's the simplest way to keep your skin barrier intact and your skin looking youthful. Remember, your skin sensitivity after 40 isn't a curse. It's a sign that your body is changing. And with the right approach, you can not only protect it, but also enhance its natural beauty. Keep it simple, keep it gentle, and most importantly, keep it consistent. Thanks for watching. And here's to glowing, healthy skin at every age. If you found this video helpful, check out our video on 7 habits that are making you look older. That's popping up on your screen right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert tips. And if you have any questions or personal experiences, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're taking care of your skin in your 40s and beyond.